Good morning, children. Today's topic is Important Terms of Social Studies, Class 6, Part 2, children. The first one, Adult Suffrage. Right to vote to all citizens who are over 18 years of age is called Adult Suffrage. Next one, Poverty Line. An imaginary line drawn to differentiate the low-income family from that of the others so that the policies to support them could be implemented better. Next one, what is an election? A process of selecting or electing somebody to rule in which all the voters participate is called election. Next one, what is local self-government? Local self-government at root level administrative units, delegation of powers to the local organizations like village panchayats, mandal parishads, municipalities, corporation and Zilla Parishads, etc. is called local self-government. Next, what is Mandal Parishad? A unit of rural administration consisting around 20 villages is called Mandal Parishad. What is Zilla Parishad? A unit of rural administration at district level consisting the total Mandal Parishads of the district is called Zilla Parishad. Next, what is corporation? Local self-government in cities is called corporation. What is municipality? Local self-government in towns is called municipality. Contract workers. Laborers in the sanitation department under a contractor, not the employees of the municipality, are called contract workers. What is bhaga? 1/6 of the total crop which was offered as a tax by the grihapatis is called bhaga. What is stupa? A mound-like or hemispherical structure containing relics and used as a place of meditation is called stupa. This is Sanchi Stupa, in which relics of Gautam Buddha are kept. Relics means the remains like teeth, hair and the bones, etc. of Lord Buddha. Next, kingdom. An area ruled by a single ruler. An area ruled by a single ruler who belonged to the royal family is called a kingdom. Next, what is a republic? An area ruled by an elected head is called a republic. Monarchy, children. The residing place of a community of the monks. Monastery. Not monarchy, it is a monastery. The residing place of the community of the monks, especially the Buddhist monks, is called monastery. Next, inscriptions. Royal orders or messages engraved on rocks, copper plates, etc. is called inscription. Here you can see here, this is Bhattiprolu inscription. Next, rituals. A set series or a process of actions used in religious ceremonies which are most expensive are called rituals. Then, what is spies? The persons who try to get secret information about another country are called spies. Next, relics. Relics are remains of the body like teeth, bone, hair, etc. Janapadas. The place where a group of people settle in a large areas is called Janapadas. Mahajanapadas. Large group of villages and towns inhabited by the people of many different tribes is called Mahajanapadas. This map shows you about 16 Mahajanapadas. Next, what is Dhamma? A new religious policy adopted and propagated by Ashoka is called Dhamma. Next, what is a clan? A group of families having common ancestors is called a clan, like Asamaka, Avanti, Matsya, Sura, Kuru, Gandhara, etc. Next, who are monks? The people belong to the religious community and living under the oaths of poverty, chastity, and obedience are called monks. Sculpture, the art of three-dimensional figures and shapes by carving stone or wood or a castling matter is called sculpture. Here you can see Mohenjo-daro's a statue and a seal sculpture. Chaitya, a small shrine containing a stupa or an image of Buddha which was kept at one end of vihara was called Chaitya. Next, what are viharas? Viharas were the monasteries where religious education was imparted. Task for this video is revise the terms very well. Have a nice day, children. Thank you.